When it's time to replace your door, the material you choose can make a lasting difference in your home's comfort, security, and curb appeal. In Richland Hills, where homeowners experience hot summers, occasional storms, and changing temperatures throughout the year, selecting the right door material is especially important. Your new door should not only look beautiful but also stand up to the local climate while improving energy efficiency and value. Here's what you need to know to make the best choice for your door replacement. Consider the Richland Hills climate before choosing a material. Think about what your door will face every day. Texas heat, strong sun exposure, humidity, and sudden weather changes can all impact performance. The right material will resist warping, cracking, swelling, and fading while maintaining its appearance for years. Energy efficiency is also a major factor. A poorly insulated door can allow heat to enter during summer and escape during winter, increasing energy bills and making your home less comfortable. Wood doors. Classic beauty with maintenance needs. Wood doors are known for their timeless elegance and natural warmth. They can be customized with intricate designs, decorative glass, and rich stain colors to match nearly any architectural style. For homeowners in Richland Hills who want a traditional or high-end appearance, wood can be an excellent choice. However, it's important to understand that wood requires regular maintenance. Exposure to heat and humidity can cause expansion, contraction, or warping if the door is not properly sealed and maintained. If you're willing to invest in upkeep, a wood door can provide unmatched beauty and character. For lower maintenance, you may want to consider other materials. Steel doors. Strength and security. Steel doors are a popular option for homeowners who prioritize security and durability. They are resistant to cracking and warping and typically cost less than solid wood doors. In Richland Hills, steel doors hold up well against temperature fluctuations and provide excellent protection. Many modern steel doors also include insulated cores, which improve energy efficiency and help regulate indoor temperatures. However, steel can dent if struck with force, and if the finish is scratched, rust can develop over time. Choosing a high-quality, factory-finished steel door with proper insulation can minimize these concerns and provide long-lasting performance. Fiberglass doors. Versatile and low-maintenance, fiberglass has become one of the most popular materials for door replacement, and for good reason. It offers the look of wood without the same level of maintenance. Fiberglass doors resist dents, scratches, warping, and moisture damage, making them well-suited to the Texas climate. For homeowners in Richland Hills looking for durability and energy efficiency, fiberglass is often an ideal balance. Many fiberglass doors feature insulated cores and realistic wood grain finishes, allowing you to achieve a high-end appearance without the ongoing upkeep. They also tend to perform well in extreme temperatures, helping maintain consistent indoor comfort. Glass and decorative options. If you're considering adding glass panels or sidelights, make sure the glass is energy efficient and impact resistant. Double or triple pane glass with low emissivity, low E, coatings can help reduce heat transfer and protect your home from UV damage. Decorative glass can enhance curb appeal while still maintaining privacy, depending on the style you choose. Think long-term value. Your door replacement is more than a cosmetic upgrade, it's an investment. The right material can improve energy efficiency, enhance security, and increase your home's resale value. While upfront cost matters, long-term durability and maintenance requirements should also play a key role in your decision. When choosing the right material for your door replacement in Richland Hills, consider your budget, desired appearance, maintenance expectations, and energy efficiency goals. Working with an experienced door professional can help you compare options and select a solution that fits your home and lifestyle perfectly. With the right material, your new door will provide beauty, protection, and performance for many years to come.